Hey there, I'm Benjamin from Loves Data. In this video, we're going to walk through two methods you can use to test landing pages with your Google Ads Performance Max campaigns. Testing your landing pages is one of the most important ways to boost results. By adjusting what people see when they land on your website, you can improve engagement and increase conversions. If you've tried to run an experiment inside Google Ads, you might have noticed it's not straightforward with Performance Max campaigns. But don't worry, I'll show you two simple approaches you can use to test landing pages and see what works best. Let's head to Google Ads. I've already logged into my demo account and selected a Performance Max campaign. Before we walk through the steps to test different landing pages, I want to show you what is possible with experiments directly in Google Ads. To see this, let's select Experiments. Currently, we can create an experiment to test URL expansion for Performance Max campaigns. This allows you to test the impact of letting Google Ads use additional landing pages from your website with your ads. To see this option, let's click the button to create a new experiment. And let's select Assets. We can see the URL expansion test on the left. However, this doesn't let us control which final URLs or landing pages people will be directed to from our ads. So let's click Cancel and travel back. Now let's select Asset Groups. Okay, so apart from creating separate Performance Max campaigns in your account, the simplest way to test the performance of different landing pages is to create another asset group. You can then adjust the final URL for each asset group, which allows you to split traffic between different landing pages. I do need to flag that this isn't a true A/B test, since we don't get to control how much traffic goes to each landing page. Google Ads will also automatically adjust how often each asset group is displayed based on which one it thinks is more likely to drive conversions. But that being said, it does mean people can be taken to different landing pages on your website. To do this, let's hover over the name of the asset group and click the duplicate icon. I recommend leaving the signals unchanged so that both ads are more likely to display to the same target audience. Then scrolling down, we can name our duplicate asset group. And let's select Assets. Now we can select Final URL and change this to our other landing page. When you're happy, scroll to the very bottom and click Save. Our new asset group has been created. Moving forward, you will be able to use the conversion metrics in Google Ads to see which landing page drives the most conversions on your website. And don't forget to keep an eye on the number of impressions and clicks for each group. This is especially important to check that your results are statistically significant. So that's one way you can test landing pages with your Performance Max campaigns. The next option is to use an A/B testing platform to run a test as people land on your website. This is really the best option, but it will mean you need to implement a testing platform to get up and running. There are a range of different testing platforms available. Some popular options include Zoho PageSense, Mida, VWO, and Crazy Egg. We're going to take a look at the steps to set up a test in Mida. So let's head to Mida. I've already created an account and logged in, so let's navigate to Experiments and click Add New Test. Now we can select Split URL Redirect Test and click Start a New Test. Then we just need to name our test. enter the final URL that is used in our Performance Max asset group, and then enter the URL of our test page. You can then finish setting up your test in Mida and launch it. By default, you will need to review the performance of your test in Mida, but they also offer a Google Analytics integration, which means you can also check results in your Google Analytics reports. If you have the time, I recommend using a testing platform like this to ensure you're correctly testing your landing pages. If you would like to learn more about testing platforms, I've included a link to another one of my tutorials in the description below this video. So there are two methods you can use to test landing pages with your Google Ads Performance Max campaigns. Which option do you prefer? Creating new asset groups or using a testing platform? I'd love to know. Please let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.